Or not? What if they embrace new technology instead? Imagine a company's future with the future of trading. Company Profile, a research tool on Thinkorswim from TD Ameritrade.
The Closing Bell is sponsored by TD Ameritrade, bringing you the innovative Think or Swim platform.
As we wait for Intel earnings, let's go to Nicole Pedalides. David Asman is with me now. And as we mentioned, Intel on deck to report.
Right. Intel obviously so key today. After the bell, we're waiting for the numbers. A lot of the analysts believe that they could outpace and beat the lowered expectations. Don't forget, you had several analysts upgrading Intel this week. And for the week, it's up about 4%.
Nicole, we have a special report on what's happened to this stock. It's plummeted so dramatically. Best Buy, it was the darling of 2013, up 300%. Down 28% in one day. What's going on?
That's absolutely right. It was the darling and today disaster as we saw that Best Buy did not have the sales they anticipated, heavily discounting, tough competition from Walmart and the like. The only bright spot was online, and the stock tanked about 28%.
Speaking of pretty significant drops, what a roller coaster ride for Nu Skin Enterprises today, just getting slammed.
Oh, Liz, we brought our viewers right to the post of Nu Skin, where they have Chinese regulators probing the company for Ponzi schemes and the like. Meantime, the company says they're working with authorities, training their people there, and it will be an ongoing battle.
Okay, and it was just a couple of days ago we had an analyst on saying, watch Solar City, it's going to pop more.
And watch it pop, 11.5% to the upside for Solar City, Dave.
Another 12% for Solar City.
Here come the bells ringing on Wall Street, and while we are seeing a loss for the Dow, the S&P, not the NASDAQ, it is well off the lows of the session, down 62 points for the Dow Jones Industrials. But at one point, David, we were down more than 100.
Yeah, and we've seen NASDAQ in the plus side, so it's not all of the indices that are bad. And again, we're waiting. By the way, two stocks. Intel, of course, we're going to have the CFO of Intel on as well. We're also going to have American Express earnings coming any moment, so there's a lot of action after the bell starts right now. Let's get right to it. Today's action before the earnings come in. We have Steve Holland, the Holland Group founder and CEO, is warning of a possible sell-off in the general market. Mark Newton, Grey Wolf Execution Partners Chief Technical Analyst, is here with two stock picks for your portfolio. And Todd Colvin is in the pits of the CME. Todd, let's start with interest rates. They were down a little again today, at least the 10-year rate. But you say we make a mistake these days if we're following